So guys, here's the Club Morocco. Pababa tayo sa clubhouse. I look at that. See, they divide it, you know, into different street and wow. Yun, bahay sa baba.
Barber.
Look at the view there. May mga bahay na rin, no? Pero hindi pa siya overcrowded. Hindi pa.
Wala pa. Kasi yung iba dito, nag-embes lang din lang.
Yan. Pero sa baba, marami na rin sa baba. There's homes. We're heading to the clubhouse.
Kabilaan may mga bahay. Yan dito, yung pink na to.
Cute pink. Oh. Look at the pink house right there. So this is the clubhouse.
Where's the clubhouse?
Right
This
here.
one.
This one.
That whole
At the
thing
same
is
time, it's a hotel.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say that's a big
Yeah.
clubhouse.
Clubhouse in the same time, it's a hotel.
Club Morocco.
Club Morocco.
Tripping kami, boss. Magti-tripping lang. May client sa loob, ha?
Isa rin naman ang developer nung pupunta natin sa Altavista. Altavista, tapos ito isa lang.
Oo.
Ah.
Eagle Rib.
Okay, so guys, we're here in Club Morocco. Look at our beautiful real estate right there. And that white guy right there.
Actually, 8 no?
Yeah.
7. I 8.
Wow, beautiful place. And these are, you know, the clubhouse. And at the same time, there is, you know, a hotel. And we can take a look, you know, the amenities here, guys. Para na oo, no? Look at the art right there, the fish. Picturean kita maya. Wow, look at the fish right there. Beautiful, guys. Babe, look at the art, babe. Isn't it pretty? Amazing. I like it. It's so relaxing in here. Baby, I like it here. Look at that, the water. Oh my God. Mom, oh my God, look at the pool right there.
Ito pa.
There's two pools, darling.
Oh, there's another one down here.
Yeah, and there's another over there. And there is, you know, yeah, oh my God. Babe, I love it here. Ang ganda, Ma'am Juvie, Ma'am Jujit. Ha, na-in love na ako. Hindi ko pa nakita yung... Hindi, mas mabilis ako ma-fall in love pag yan sa may dagat, oo.
Oo nga.
Look at that, babe.
Pag yung summer, grabe ang tao dito.
Dito?
That's all tile in there.
Yeah, why?
Well, you don't usually see all tile.
Is it hard to see?
No, it's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty, yeah. Wow.
It's a big pool.
Right.
Yes, yeah.
It is.
6 feet here, 4 feet down.
This is if it's summer, baby.
Can we walk over there just a little?
Ikaw,
So this is...
Imsi, mag-pray ka. Na dito. Para pag meron na kami property dito kayo. Oo, punta kayo dito. Mag-picnic tayo.
Pa ng dagat, oh.
Oo. Ay, love ko talaga siya. I love it.
Ganda doon, no, kasi
ano
talaga.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. And look at, we're here in Subic Bay. And look at the may pambata. Oh, may pambata. Mas ganda kasi dalawang
siya.
Oo.
You wanna go for a swim?
I would love to. It looks so nice.
Well, why not give me the prize?
Go jump in the water now.
I think the water is cool, man. Presto.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that one.
That's beautiful.
And
Is the breeze normal like this around here?
love
Yeah, usually it was like this.
Just like this?
wow.
Very nice. I love
Awesome,
it.
huh?
It is. That little movement of air is very refreshing.
Masarap yung tabi ng dagat, yung pulos.
Oo, tapos dagat na.
In the United States, North Carolina, eastern part of the United States. I'm Andrew.
I'm Steve.
Steve, nice
Yeah,
to meet you.
Guys, look at here. Oh my god.
Yes, it's very pretty.
Very pretty. Holy moly. MC, go jump in the water now.
I'll try that slide.
Wow, look at that water slide. Wow. Very nice.
Do you think Nathan can do that? Of course not. He will be after.
Not yet, but a couple years he's
Yeah, he's gonna be
he's
like
chongo.
he's a
I tell you
chongo.
what, he just does everything.
Yeah. MC, ang ganda dito. No?
Nakaka-relax sobra. Makita mo lang yung dagat, ang saya na eh.
He's really happy. This is her first
I'm
time.
amazed, yeah.
He's amazed. Me too. I like it. Oh my god. Mom? We're gonna go to the other pool. This is another pool. There are three pools here. Wow.
Goodness.
Are you overwhelmed? Wow.
It all looks like it's in very good condition.
It is.
Yeah, it all looks like it's in good condition.
Yeah, it is. May maintenance dito sila maglilinis, no?
Oo.
Lahat.
Mini-maintain talaga dito. Tignan mo ang linis.
Wow, look at this water too. Oh my. Here you go.
Nathan can swim here very because it's not that much here.
Look at the clouds and the mountains there. That reminds me a little bit of Maui.
Yeah.
The way the clouds come in over the mountaintop.
He's gonna fall in love now.
Yeah, in Maui.
Yeah, in Maui, ganito rin, ganyan.
Clouds will come in
Yeah.
and over the tops of the mountains like that.
So at least when you are here, you can just imagine that is Maui already.
Yeah.
Well, this has its own beauty. I mean, this has
Hawaii.
look at that. The beauty over
Yeah,
there with the
the
islands.
view.
The islands, the water, it
Really
is.
beautiful.
Kahit ako, mom, na-impress ako talaga, as in. Yes, guy, look at that!
All a what are we calling it?
Grabe, no?
Breeze feels beautiful.
Yeah.
So there's a residential neighbor. So this is all the hotel here?
Yes.
Is there actually a clubhouse here?
Clubhouse and a hotel mix.
Okay. So where we came in is kind of the clubhouse.
And look at the water. That's part of, you know, the clubhouse. Over here. There's more over there. You.
Was ready to go.
There's more over there. Okay.
What kind of a tree is that?
Mango.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wonder if there's actually mangoes that come off of that.
All over the water. Impress ako sa art. Oh, grabe. There's thunder. And look at that, guys. Isn't it incredible? Wow. It's amazing. So that one is a restaurant, guys. See? This is inside the Morocco Club. And what facilities is this one here? Ano dyan, ma'am?
Kitchen din nila.
Ah, sa kitchen. Ah, okay. And this
It's a
is the
what?
lobby.
It's a kitchen.
Oh, it's a kitchen.
Okay.
Sales.
You wanna walk the aisle, baby? Right there. Wow. That's pretty.
So, do you talk to the people here?
Ma'am. Meron tayong... Ay, hindi yan yung ano nila?
Hindi, sa office nila, office nila.
Meron tayo.
Saka sa atin lang.
Bakit?
May malapit po dito sa atin. May malapit. Mas malapit. Ito
Yan.
yung clubhouse eh. Ito yung clubhouse na ito yung malapit. Ito
Harap po siya ng bahay dyan.
Ito.
Ah.
Oh, ito na. Ito na sir. Dyan lang yan.
Dyan lang yan.
Dyan?
Oo, magkatabi pa. 7,000.
1,000 po yan.
1,000 na saka 1,000.
Magkatabi.
This is ito, open lot near to the clubhouse. Just across.
So baby, those highlighted, blue, those are, the open,
Ano yung pink, ma'am?
Bahay po siya.
Sa house na. Ang dami na pala.
Marami na. Hindi lang natin naikot kasi dumiretso tayo dito from gate.
So this,
So this is P7.
because you don't, this is not, you can just build the style of the house you wanted. Here. Look at different style.
Yeah.
So there is no uniform.
Yeah. So they're not very restricted, baby, in terms of design.
Yeah, but usually there's like a price per square meter. Like in the United States, there's a price per
Yeah.
square foot, right?